So in class, we've been learning about plant and animal cells and how they're different and how they're similar.
We've been looking at cheek cells and onion cells under a microscope and drawing what we see.
In all the cells, there was lots of parts to them. There was tons of different organelles which had different jobs in the cell to keep it running.
We got to rub a little stick against our cheek to get a cheek cell, and then we put that against a microscope, and you could see all the tiny little organelles that make up your face.
We also looked at an onion because we cut off a piece of the onion and put it under a microscope and got to look at that.
I thought it was just a cell, but there were all different types of stuff inside of it.
Plant cells have more organelles in them. Animal cells have less. So plant cells have the cell wall and a bigger vacuole, and chloroplast would make the plant cell green and its photosynthesis.
Some of the stuff made energy and moved the protein throughout the cell.
I thought animal cells were cool because technically humans are animals. So we got to learn how our body functions and how all the cells that make us human, how they work. I just thought that was really cool.